Okay, this is the driver's side mirror. This car is in an accident. Got the mirror swiped clear off. So today we're going to open up the panel. I'm going to take the inside door panel out and we're going to put in a new mirror. Get all this mess off of here. Okay, to get this door panel off, first thing I want to do, right under this is your door handle. Take a screwdriver and flip that up. There's a couple screws under there. Flip that up like that. Okay, now you can see them two screws in there. A Phillips screwdriver. We'll take them out. They're pretty good size screws. We'll get in here with a trim tool. Things are pretty hard to get started at first. Once you get them going, it's pretty easy. Okay, on your door handle, open it up. A little plate in behind there. Pop it out of there. Like that. And there's a screw in behind it. See, that's also a Phillips screwdriver. We'll take that one off. Now your door panel falls out. Okay, here's all your wires for your mirror. Now we need to access the mirror bolts. I don't think we're going to take this off anymore. We can access it from in behind here. I'll give you a shot real quick. See, there's your 3 bolts. We'll take them off and we'll be ready to install the mirror. Okay, this is 10mm bolts. Okay, this is the driver's side mirror. 2010 STS. You got 2 connectors on your mirror. Gotta get the paperwork off here. So now we gotta run this wire down and find out where they connect into the little box right here for your mirrors. Okay, they come in down here. I'm not gonna have to disconnect the box here. Okay, these 2 on the very far end down here. little tab you push in, pull out. Okay, the one's on the very far end down there. I need to pull this wire out of here. Pop off another clip here. Okay, we pop this one off, pull the wires out. Here they are here. Now we'll pull them out. I believe they come out this way. I'll have to take the rest of them out. They'll generally come in from the other way. Now we'll take the mirror, take our bolts off. I'm only going to be able to install one mirror today because the other one's going to need some touch-up work done on it. Let's stick it through the hole here. Stick it through the big hole one at a time. Feed it through. Had to grab it from the other end down there. Help pull it through. And pull it till it seats. Okay, there's some, you can see on there's some small clips right there. Right up here, there's small clips right here. You need to make sure they're in behind you. In behind the door frame there. Okay, now we'll go on the other side and we'll put some bolts in. Snug them up good. Okay, you can see how that rubber grommet right there. Now you got to pull it through, or help seal off the moisture. Keep your water out. Okay, got all the bolts tight. Now we're ready to run that wire down. Okay, here's our box. We're going to plug it in first. See there, both of them are a little bit different. Plug in that one, plug in that one. Make sure they snap good. I gotta run this wire back up under there where it was. Then mount your, snap your box back in place. Okay, you got a long piece here by your yellow one. You gotta stick it in this hole right here. Snap it all back in place. Now put a screw back up in there. Okay, put your screw back in there. And put on your cover. Snap it back in place. Okay. I've got two more right here. Pull this back out again. Big old screws goes in there. Put your 2 screws back in here and then fold that piece back down. Now we are done. Okay, now we'll check and see if the mirror's going to work. Got the accessory turned on. Mirror's coming in. Mirror's going out. Down. And up. So we're all done. I got one more mirror to put on here, but I got to do some touch-up work on it. So I got to get some paint done first. So thanks for watching.